What's going on YouTube? I'm super pumped. I'm stoked because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere between $50 to $200 fast online. That's right. $50 to $200 fast online. This is not one of those clickbait videos. I'm going to share with you a specific website that you could go on and you can make this type of money. And they have ongoing projects where you can go out and you could crush it. Now, this is not, let me just show you. This is not Upwork.com. This is not Fiverr.com. This is not PeopleHour.com. This is a particular website that no one is talking about, and I decided to share it with you because there's too many competition. Let's be honest. There's too many competition on Upwork and on Fiverr. So you as a small freelancer, just go on there, try to find something, try to find a small gig. It's going to be tough. It's going to be very difficult, and it's going to be hard for you if you're brand new to get gigs. Now, I'm going to share with you what website that you could go on that you can go out there and crush it. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, become a part of the family. This is indeed all the videos that I've created. So if this is not something that's going to fit for you, come through here. I talk about affiliate marketing, different ways how you can make money online so you could go out and you can crush it. If you're looking for my #1 recommendation, check out the first link in the description, and I will just send you over that into your email so that way you can know what I use to make money online, where I could get to travel, be at home all day, whenever I want, when I want. It's all about your time freedom, and I love being able to control my time. And that's what I'm here to do, is to help as many people do the same thing as well. So I know that you would love to get out of your 9 to 5 or whatever it is. And if you're looking for a way to make more money, check out the first link in the description. So again, make $50 to $200 fast online. As I said, this is not clickbait, and this is the particular website. So the website is called guru.com. Yes, guru.com. Not everybody talks about it because there's too many people or just going over to Fiverr, they're going to Upwork, and they think that those are the only place that you could get job done and you could do freelancing. But this particular website, so far they have over 3,000 members worldwide. Yes, I said it. This can be done worldwide, so it's anywhere, and they have over 1 million jobs done. They paid over $250 million online already to people such as you who want to go out. So these are some of the jobs that can be done, or let's say you can get done, or you can offer your services, such as like programmers, there's designers, artists, there's writers, translators, sales and marketing gurus, lawyers. There's people already in the a lawyer, they can come on here, engineer, architects, admin, so many different things that people come on here and they can freelance. So if you would like to post a job, that's if people want to post that they want to get something done, they would come on here. But for you, you want to find a job. But before I do that, let's click over how it works. So how it works, get started. You create a free employer or freelancer account in minutes. Just like I said, you make this in minutes. Employers post jobs, and freelancers create profiles and submit quotes to open jobs. Employees review the quotes, communicate with the freelancer, and you choose. So instead of you going back and forth with people, this is like the hub between people who want to get a job done and people who know how to get the job done. So that's how they work out the transaction. It's a safe platform where payment can be made, and you don't have to expect that people are going to run away with your money and all that type of stuff. So get to work. You work together. You create an agreement. Once that is all done, then pay by milestone, pay by task. You could get paid by hour or pay using recurring payments. So that way you could set it up. Let's say someone has a particular job where you work with that person and you could get paid every week or every month, or you could get paid by the hour. So let's say you want to do like $30 an hour, or you said, you know what, I could get this job done and you pay me $150 or $200, $300, or even more. So you can click on here and learn more about the agreements. As I said before, the payments are indeed safe because they make sure they go by safe everything is safe and you could read the review. And before they do that, they want to make sure that the employer and also you that is doing the job, everything is complete before they even release the funds. So the person cannot get the job that you've created without them paying you, vice versa, because they want to make sure everything is done. They verify it. Once it's all set up, everything is clear, then you get the job done. So how you could get started: I want to hire or I want to work. So if you click on I want to work, it's going to take you over here where you need to create your account. This has to be done, and I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. So you click where it says I want to work, you put your full name, you put your email address, put your password, you click on here again, and you join the Guru. So you join Guru, create the account. It's simple, it's free. They easily make the payments. They use Safe Pay service, so that is good. I know there's a lot of people who don't have like PayPal account, but once you set up like Safe Pace, you can connect like your banking information, so that way the money can get started. So as I mentioned before, it's way better, less competition than these websites, Upwork, Fiverr, because everybody's trying to find out. So make sure you come on to guru.com. So how it works: if you want to find a job, you can click on here. So if you click on where it says find a job, right now you can see over 1,745 jobs posted in any category. So let's say you want to do like sales and marketing. You could click on here. There's over, let me zoom in a little bit. There's over 213. Design artwork, 307. Programmer, there's over 700. So if you look here, you can click on all jobs. You can click on the hourly rate, fixed job, any location, any country. That's a good thing. And it doesn't matter where you are. People just want to get the job done. So most people will post that, all right, for example, this one, vector, illustrator, and virtual assistant. So they're looking for people to hire. They just posted this 14 minutes ago, and it's going to expire on July 12th. They need to have somebody to work by July 12th. Otherwise, it's just going to take it down. So hourly quote, no rate specific. They're looking for people to work anywhere from like 10 to 30 hours per week, per hour. So you could come on here and you could get a full-time job if so be the case. So it doesn't, as I said, it doesn't matter where you are in the world. It all depends on what these people are looking for. So this person is John B. He just posted it. There's no feedback as yet because he just posted it 14 minutes ago. I'm sure if you hit the refresh, there's going to be already people starting to reach out. So read the criteria, what they're looking for. They're probably looking for someone who can run Facebook ads, so in various niches. That is what they're looking for. To join the team, you can get paid writing, creating, Adobe, Facebook marketing, all this type of stuff. If you look down here, they're looking for someone who is good in WordPress designer needed. So WordPress designer needed. If you know how to do WordPress, they posted this 28 minutes ago. There's a guy from Robin in India. I think he probably, so if you click on here, let me just click on it. If you click on here, you can see, look at this. There's 4 people already applying for this, and they want to get the job done. So you always want to refresh. You always want to check out, and you want to start to, get things going. So this person right here is Robin V. Paid 0, feedback none, unpaid invoices, paid job, none of that done yet. If you'd like to, it's open to the public. Worldwide, the budget is under 200. So I don't know how much this person is paying for you to get the job done. So you can click on here and register, and you could get started. So let's go and check out another one again. Email marketer lead generation. This posted an hour ago. So if you click on here, this person, John V, he just posted this. No one is taking up that job because probably no one know how to do email marketing or lead generation. So I think I'm going to use this service, to be honest. I need some things to be done, so I'm going to check it out and make sure. This person right here, Robert B, he's got a tick. He's verified. I think this guy normally get job done. So he's looking for cartoonist, and I have a karate school, and I have had caricatures done. So that's what he's looking for. Likewise, this person right here, Eddie, he spent over $33,000 on this platform. So pre-sales rep for IT services, 30 plus hour a week. That's what he's looking for. So you could click on here, IT services. Already someone hit him up and be like, all right, listen, I want to see if I can get on this. So you could scroll through here. There's so many different things. There's mobile app design, design an attractive logo for my company. This person is looking, they're out of Russia. Front end pages rebuilt. Right over here, Excel projects, brochures, there's graphic designs, all that type of stuff. So once you come on here, as I said, you can make anywhere from between $50 to $200 fast online just by doing this, because the competition is not as big as Upwork and Fiverr, as I just mentioned. So use this guru.com where you can get started. It works worldwide. Sign up for it. You can get paid. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments. You know, if you did enjoy this video, I always like to hear feedback. And I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next video. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Check out my #1 recommendation. My name is Andre. Thank you so much. Peace.